amazing ability to turn ordinary into extraordinary by their imagination. I am Kanika and it's my immense pleasure to be hosting today's exciting journey of our little gems. Our little ones are eagerly waiting to take you on a roller coaster ride of laughter, innocence and charm. So hold on as I invite our bright stars to set their stage on fire with their vibrant dance performance for song Chota Bachcha Samajh Ke Unko. So ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause and cheer their dance performance. Thank you. मैंने बोला बाबू बनिया कागज बेच रहे या धनिया, कागज रखो बाजू में, धनिया को रखो तराजू में।